Hello everyone. Welcome to the FIPT weather station channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you about the bad weather in Portugal and the heavy flooding during this new year. The city of Porto was hit by bad weather this Saturday morning. Several flooding occurred in the city center, especially near the South Bento metro station. Rain has returned and intensified in northern Portugal. The worst of Saturday's events will be over, but the districts of Viana do Castelo, Porto, Braga and Aveiro will once again be under an orange warning on Sunday. Portugal's Institute of Marine and Atmospheric Management is monitoring extreme weather conditions this weekend and is concerned enough. And this is what we present to you in this video. And so that you may receive news about disasters around the world. Don't forget to press follow and press the bell. Thank you.